Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. On this episode, we're going to be fitting LED license plate lamps with this Subaru Vortex. Why are we going to do that? Well, we've got that nice expensive vanity plate there, and at night we're really not showing it off as much as we should. So we're going to fit some nice bright LEDs to really make that plate pop. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, let's see how it looks with the incandescent bulbs in it. Not very bright. Can't really make out that sweet plate. I mean, when Kanye buys a flower wall for Kim, he doesn't leave the lights off at home, does he? Let's see what we can do about it. Okay, so first of all, we've obviously got to get the original lights out, so let's do that now. So we just got some Phillips screws to take out. Okay, that's them. And now we just drop these caps off. Like that. And like that. And we can get to the lenses. Now because they've been there so long, we need to lever them off because they've just stuck to the seal. Yeah, there's one. Now the other one. Ping. Got him. Alright, so you can see up in there where they live. There's the lights. Here's the two lenses. Alright, so let's give them a clean first of all. And we're ready to put our new bulbs in. Alright, so let's wash them lights. Alright, so now, while I got it off, I'm going to take the opportunity to wash some of this overspray off. Because why not? So I'll get a bit of thinners here. Alright, now I'm going to give the lenses a bit of a go with cut and polish. Okay, there they are. Nice and clean. Alright, let's put it all back together with our nice new LED lights. Okay, so first, let's whip the old bulbs out. They're just wedges, so just pull them straight out, like that. Okay. Alright, so we've got our new bulbs, LED bulbs. Now, I'm going to put some of this on. Always good when you're fitting bulbs. This is just dielectric grease. It's very, very cheap. Just prevents corrosion on the terminals, and it also promotes electrical connections. Alright, so we're going to smear a whole heap on the connection part of the bulb, and then one by one fit it up in here. Number two, same thing, just like cream cheese on a bagel. cool, that's how bulb's fitted. Now let's put the lenses back on. Alright, cool. Alright, let's check them out. That's one. And two. Cool. Let's wait till it gets dark so we can try them out. Alright, let's see how they look now that we've turned the sun off. Wow, that's a heap better. Check that out. Yeah. That's lit better than a year 11 student at schoolies. You? Alright, let's put this side by side the other one and get a good before and after shot. Oh wow, what a difference. That's filth. I'm going to call that a job well done, guys. How good's that, guys? Nice and bright. Really shows off that number plate now. So that's it for this episode. Thanks again for tuning in to Ned's Garage. Please keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Jump on our socials too. We'll catch you next time. See ya.